Hello friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Rashid Khan, Unani doctor and Hijama practitioner, Abu Dhabi. Today I will tell you what is Unani system of medicine. Unani system of medicine is an ancient, traditional and holistic system of healing and preventing diseases based on the philosophy of humors put forward by Hippocrates in the year 450 BC. Unani medicine continues to be practiced in various parts of the world for centuries and has historical roots in the medical traditions of Greece, Rome, Egypt, Persia and India. In some countries, it is also known by the name of prophetic medicines or Arabian medicine. Unani medicine continues to be successfully practiced in many parts of the world, especially in countries with a historical background of Islamic culture and traditions. Like for examples, Hijama is very much popular in the Arabian countries. No doubt, Hijama has tremendous health benefits. But Hijama is just a part of the Unani medical treatment system. So, Hijama is just a tip of Unani iceberg. So let us not forget the iceberg which is Unani medical system. Nowadays, India appears to be the world leader of Unani medicine with 56 Unani colleges, 264 Unani hospitals, 1,500 Unani dispensaries and about 600 licensed Unani medicine manufacturing companies, which is just incredible. Key principles of Unani system of medicine. There are many principles on which the Unani system is fundamentally based, but here I will throw light on three of them, namely the humoral theory, there is presence of four humors in the human body. First, dam, which is also called blood. Second is balgam, which is also called phlegm. Third is safra, which is called yellow bile. And fourth is soda, which is called black bile. Health is believed to result from the qualitative and quantitative equilibrium of these four humors, and any disbalance in this equilibrium gives rise to a number of diseases. And the second is mizaj, temperament. Unani system of medicine classifies individuals according to their mizaj, which can be hot or cold, dry or wet. These temperaments are based on the predominance of one or more than one of the four humors as I described before. The third principle is based on Asbab Sitta Zaruriya, the 6 essential factors or 6 golden factors affecting the health of an individual. Let us enumerate them one by one. First is the clean air. Second is food and drink. Third is bodily exercise and rest. Fourth is mental activity and repose. And the fifth factor is the sleep and wakefulness. And the final sixth factor is the retention and excretion. I will be describing all of them in the coming videos, inshallah. So friends, this was a very brief description of Unani system of medicine. And I hope I will continue this lecture series in our coming videos. And thank you for your attention.